Contrary to popular belief, teenagehood is the best time to get ahead of the game and make money. We're talking about earning cash to keep away for your education, stacking up on valuable industry insights, and having a fully loaded, impressive resume that would be irresistible on any employer's table that goes a long way for you to make money for the rest of your career. Or better yet, you could get the experience you need to start your own business. The point remains, it's never too early to explore ways to make money. And it's never a bad idea to get some sort of financial independence at the same time. With the right hustle and determination. We're sure some of the ways to make money mentioned here will net you some extra money in no time. Number 1, do homework for other students. Are you always finding others looking for your help with homework? Instead of offering your help for free, this is actually one of the most popular ways to make money as a teen. There's a huge market for essay writing services online, making it very easy to get into if you really want to turn this into a way to make money. There are also options for other types of work, like math homework. If you find certain subjects easy, then this is one of the no-brainer ways to make money. Check out sites like Papers Marketplace to learn how to make extra money by doing homework for others online. Number 2, earn money as a proofreader. If you have a good grasp of catching grammatical errors, you could make a decent side income as a proofreader. With this side hustle, you get paid to proofread all sorts of writing, letters, blog posts, articles, or even emails. A great upside to making money with proofreading is that you can do it with just a laptop and an internet connection, which means you can do it from anywhere, at your own pace. You can also pursue this no matter where you live, even if you are outside the United States, as long as you are fluent in the English language. It's a little pricey to get started, but you can pick up a really good skill that can make you a lot of money in the future. Proofreading Academy is a great resource if you want to get started with proofreading. Check them out here. Number 3, washing cars. If you live in the suburbs where there are plenty of cars around your neighborhood, chances are that people would appreciate the service of getting their cars washed right from their homes. After all, if you don't wash their car, someone else has to. Ask your parents if there are any supplies around the house and learn how to wash cars properly in your own home. And get started with selling this service to your neighborhood. You can also ask around friends and family for a start. Simply go door to door and offer to wash cars for a reasonable price. You'd be surprised at how many people would find your deal a no-brainer. Besides, if you're doing this as a teen, most people would respect the hustle and be more likely to support you on your venture. Number 4, build or flip Instagram theme pages. With the release of iOS 14, more and more Facebook advertisers are now scrambling for alternative ways to advertise their products. In case you didn't know, iOS 14 makes Facebook advertising less effective, as Apple continues to lock down on what data can be shared with Facebook. This results in less effectiveness in Facebook advertising moving forward, as Facebook has fewer data to work with. With that said, advertising using native content on Instagram stands to benefit the most from this change. This is where advertisers pay Instagram pages to post content on their feed or story that serves as an ad. If you know the ins and outs of Instagram, you can build a themed page that revolves around a certain niche that can be very valuable for advertisers. For example, if you are into traveling, you can simply compile pictures and videos of amazing travel footage from all around the world for your page. The same can be said for pets, cars, sports, or anything that you find interesting. Depending on the size of your page, you can charge anywhere from $30 to $100 just to post ads on your feed, which is a great way to earn passive income from home. Alternatively, you can also acquire Instagram pages if you have some spare cash lying around and work on growing its following to a larger size, and resell that page for a nice profit. The beauty of this way to make money as a teen is that you can do this entirely on your phone. All you need to do is consistently post great content that can engage your followers.